Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University, presented by United States Stove Company. In today's video, we will show you how to properly replace the control board for your KP130, VG130, or AP130 pellet stove. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. For this replacement, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. 1. Before you begin, allow the stove to go through the shutdown process. Once it's cool and all components have turned off, unplug the stove. 2. Remove the 3 screws along the back corner of the left side panel of the stove using your Phillips head screwdriver. 3. Remove the side panel by sliding the panel straight back to reveal the metal tabs along the inside of the panel. Then set it aside. Remember to pay attention to where the connectors from the wiring harness are plugged into the back of the control panel. 4. Unplug all the wires that are plugged into the back of the circuit board. 5. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the control board to the side panel. 6. Remove the control board and set it aside. 7. Hold the new control board in place and replace the 2 screws that secure it to the side panel. 8. Plug in all the wires and connectors to the back of the control board using the wiring diagram located in your owner's manual as a guide. 9. Slide the side panel back into place and be sure to line up the metal tabs with the corresponding openings. 10. Replace the 3 screws that secure the side panel. 11. Plug the stove back in, press the on button, and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.